Are you a student with an intent to master chemistry? Do you have thoughts on pursuing a career in chemistry? If so, then you are in the right place. Hey guys, great to have you back. In this video, we'll look at the academic and career path that chemistry offers to its pursuers. For being eligible for further studies in chemistry, the selection of subjects during your intermediate level is most important. You will need to opt for the science stream with a combination of either PCM or PCB in +2. And to secure admission into an undergraduate course, you need at least 50% marks in your +2 boards. Let's now take a look at the most sought after undergraduate courses in chemistry. BSc Chemistry, BSc Biochemistry, BSc Applied Chemistry, BSc Applied Chemical Sciences, Bachelor's in Pharmacology, and B.Tech in Chemical Engineering. With excellent scores in your +2 exams, you can get admissions into top institutes in India like JNU Delhi, Delhi University, BHU Varanasi, St. Xavier College Mumbai, Fergusson College Pune, Jadavpur University Kolkata, and many more for a 3 years BSc degree course. For the undergraduate courses, the average fees range between 20,000 Indian rupees to 2 lakhs. To get a decent job, a bachelor's degree is the minimum requirement. But for long-term career ambitions, one must study further. Those who want to pursue further can do a 2 years post-graduation degree in the same field or in a similar discipline, for which candidates should have completed their BSc from a recognized university with a minimum of 50 to 60% marks. Next, let's take a look at a list of major postgraduate courses in chemistry. MSc Chemistry, Organic Chemistry, Inorganic Chemistry, Applied Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Biochemistry, Molecular Chemistry, Quantum Chemistry, Inorganic Reaction Mechanism, and Thermodynamics. There are many reputed institutes nationwide offering a postgraduate program in chemistry, like IITs, NITs, University of Hyderabad, BHU Varanasi, Mumbai University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, JNU Delhi, etc. Payable tuition fee for 2 years ranges between 30,000 Indian rupees to 2 lakhs. Additionally, premier institutes like TIFR Mumbai, IISc Bangalore, IISA Kolkata, and NISA Bhubaneswar offer 5 years integrated MSc programs in chemistry at an annual tuition fee ranging between INR 20,000 to 30,000. If you want the best global exposure and capture numerous growth opportunities, it would be beneficial to study abroad. For a postgraduate course in various foreign institutes, you'll need to have proficiency in English. Bachelor's degree, a CV, letters of recommendation, statements of purpose, college transcripts. Some of the top foreign institutes offering master's program in chemistry are Department of Chemistry at Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the University of California, Berkeley, USA. Department of Chemistry at University of Manchester and Oxford, United Kingdom. Faculty of Chemistry and Biology at Technical University of Berlin and University of Stuttgart, Germany. Department of Chemistry at University of Toronto and Alberta, Canada. Department of Chemistry at Seoul National University, South Korea. Expense for studying here can be anywhere between $1,100 United States dollars to $60,000 United States dollars per annum. Since chemistry is an interdisciplinary subject, a career in chemistry is much sought after. Both government and private sectors offer high-paying jobs to candidates with PG chemistry. Here are some of the job profiles suitable for degree holders in chemistry with starting annual salary ranging from Pharmacy Assistant, INR 3 to 5 lakhs. Clinical Research Associate, INR 5 to 7 lakhs. Toxicologist, INR 5 to 8 lakhs. Chemist, INR 2 to 4 lakhs. Research Scientists, INR 9 to 31 lakhs. Professors, INR 11 to 32 lakhs. With a PG in chemistry, you can get hired in government research institutes like CSIR Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, CSIR Indian Institute of Chemical Biology, CSIR Indian Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, and many more. Building a rewarding career in the domain of chemistry demands a high level of patience and diligence. However, it is most certainly attainable with persistence and hard work. Join Matrix Science Academy today and let us help you with achieving your academic dreams. Like this video if this has answered some of your questions. Comment below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook handles to keep updated. Subscribe for more such informative content.